Vanakkam Annamalai. I just want to ask this interesting question to you. How has your life changed after getting into politics?
Totally, completely, upside down. Now, two things, brother. The thing is, the party has trusted me with the same way the party has trusted Tejasvi Surya ji with a responsibility. Now, to stay true to that responsibility, we got to overwork. There's no other option. A state like Tamil Nadu, we just have to overwork. So what has happened in the last 20 days, if you count, I hardly go to home 2 days out of 20 days. So a lot of travel. So because of which fitness and a lot of things I love, reading, everything has taken a backseat. But it is for a larger cause. At the same time, the positive part, I never felt I'm truly connected to a cadre like the way I feel connected now. So you eat in somebody's home. You get an opportunity to sit with him. Maybe in the party's hierarchy, you could be a small guy. But when you sit with him for 30 minutes, the kind of ideas they give, the spark is somewhere there at the ground. So negatively speaking, time management has become a problem. Positively, the love people have for BJP, the love people have for Modi ji. That is why we are trying our best to steal the Yuva Morcha president to Tamil Nadu. So we were supposed to come to Kanyakumari, but the cyclone played spoiled sport. So the youth are very much coming towards BJP. So once we have an icon like our MP, it's a matter of time. He will accelerate the 6 years to 5 years. So 1 year he will reduce if he's able to spend more time there. So we'll be doing it. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Taking the question to little fun side again. Just before this.
But this question did not look like fun questions.
No, this I think you'll enjoy. Just before this, both of you were sitting inside and deciding on the football match that both of you are going to play right after this thing. Could you give us some insight about football of both of you? Tejasvi, probably.
I've been playing football right from my school. Our friend Arvind is a star player of our office. So in fact, there's a place where we play football, which Annamalai ji had inaugurated. So that's where we go and play. So today when he was here, we just thought that maybe after this program, we all could go and play a game of football, which he kindly agreed to. So it's important to, especially as young people, play a sport. It helps you, play, understand team spirit, understand victory and loss. The usual thing, but football is a fun game. So I think it was you gave me an easy question and you gave him a hard question earlier. So.
Right.
Just to add to it,
yeah,
I tried all sorts of reasons not to play football today. He said I'm wearing a dhoti. He said he has arranged a shot. I said I'm not wearing a shoe. He said shoe is ready. So no excuses. But having said that, sport is a sport. So look forward to play with this team.
Yeah. I'm sure a lot of other people would also want to get an update after the game of what happened. A quick rapid fire kind of question. I'm sure I'm making it tough for you again. Which is your favorite city, Chennai or Bangalore?
Both. Politically Chennai.
Tejasvi, which victory do you think you'll enjoy? Victory against Mamata Banerjee or OIC?
In April against Mamata Banerjee and in 2023 against OIC.
Annamalai ji, interesting thing, again I'm putting you in a tough spot. Who yields more power, cop or a politician?
Nobody citizen.
Great. Tejasvi, which sweet do you like, Rasgulla or Mysore Pak?
This is a politically sensitive question. To eat Rasgulla, to gift Mysore Pak.
Okay, question to both of you. Who's your favorite? First Annamalai ji, then Tejasvi. Who's your favorite, Modi or Amit Shah?
I think some questions don't have an answer. You should be intelligent enough to accept it. Technically both.
Tejasvi?
I was thinking maybe I could bypass
No.
Modi and Amit Shah are like two sides of the same coin. So you toss the coin, one heads is Amit Shah, tails is Modi, so you know it's just same thing. So you like Amit Shah, you like Modi, you like Modi, you like Amit Shah. So you like both of them.
Confused you more than the question that was asked.
Yeah, certainly. So.